So I'm in the store and we're trying to get some stuff right quick. And I thought I'd do this video because the wife just pointed out something to me. A very, very interesting thing. And it has to do with butter or the lack thereof. I didn't know that most of the stuff that is on the shelf that's being sold as butter is not butter. I could not believe it. It is crazy, and they make them so pretty. You understand? Come over this side. They make them so pretty that you would not believe that it's not butter. And we just want to show now, for example, what I mean by this. For example, these are very popular. Very, very popular. But if you notice, the first thing that is the dead giveaway is that most of the ones that are not butter cannot, by law, I think this is, yeah, wanna tell me if I'm wrong or right. But they can't put butter on it. They can't put butter on the container. So when you come to the store and you see something, check it. Alright, look on this. Smart Balance. You notice? Nice. But it not have butter.
It says buttery spread.
Buttery spread. See that? Small, see that? Buttery spread. So it's not really butter. This one says butter and canola blend. You see that? Butter and canola oil blend. Look at this one. And we used to buy this one a lot. Made with olive oil for exceptional flavor, and it does not say butter. It doesn't. And then when you look at the top, yeah, pull it down. Look at the top. Right up here says
vegetable oil spread.
Vegetable oil spread. This one says say goodbye to butter. And it says vegan butter spread. You see it? Buttery spread. That's it, you know.
I cannot believe it's not butter.
And this is the smartest one. Because them know no butter. So when them say I cannot believe it's not butter.
It's to see the word butter, I'm just gonna grab it.
Are you now looking at butter? Thank you so much. This one is made with coconut oil. And I'm not, now watch this guys, I'm not saying that these items are not nutritious and whatever.
Which one is what is good and what is not good. We're just making an observation.
The observation that we're making, as the wifey says, is that it's not all of them are butter. See, look at this one. I like this one. Let me show you something that I realized. This one says sweet cream butter. All right, look at the ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients on this one. Look at the ingredients. Pasteurized cream, salt. That's it. Pasteurized cream, salt. You see that? This one says earth balance. Beautiful, nice, vegan, buttery spread. 78% vegetable oil. And look at the ingredients. Vegetable oil blend, palm fruit, canola, flax and olive oil, and then it contains pea protein, sunflower leaching, this, that, and natto extract and all of that. Now, again, I'm not here to judge them in the nutritional value of the product. What I'm saying is, when it comes to buying butter, you want butter. See this? Pasteurized. See that one? It says pasteurized unsalted butter. What am I saying? I'm saying read more when you go to the store. Let me see the ingredients on this one.
Oh, and this one is grass-fed.
See the ingredients. Let me see if you can see it. Ingredients, cream, and salt. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Cream and salt. I don't know this brand. Vital Farms.
It's an organic brand.
And it's organic. So what am I saying? Check your stuff. Check your stuff when you buy it.
Salted. So let me see if it says
see the
ingredients. Okay, so that's the cream.
Just so cream. This one Presidente says butter. Presidente butter.
President.
Oh, President butter. No, know which one of the president then. But this one says pasteurized cream, salt and cultures. See that? So no, and then this is ghee. And anybody who knows ghee knows that this is clarified butter. All right. Let me see. Ingredients: certified organic butter, and in comma it says milk. Ghee is very good because it has a high cooking content. It yeah. This one is the one that we use sometimes. Garlic and herb butter. And the ingredients is butter, chives, parsley, garlic, dill, pepper, and paprika, and milk. That's it.
Milk and then just add
So,
some herbs to it.
I'm just here to tell you guys, check out the stuff them when you're not buying. Look, no matter how pretty the brand them want to look, check them out for yourself, because some of these ingredients may not work well with your body and it may not be good for you. Alright? So until next time, use coconut oil. Yes, it works.
Best thing.
True.